ready for a jungle safari? Today we are going to meet 20 wild animals. Let's go find them.
Lion, the king of the jungle. Go!
Zebra, black and white stripes. Giraffe, a very long neck. Watch it stretch and swing, the tallest animal on land. Camel, walking in the hot sand. Cheetah, the fastest land animal.
Gorilla, a big strong friend.
Monkey, swinging on the trees.
Woo-hoo-ah!
Look at him go!
Yee!
So much fun! Fox, clever and quick.
Bear, big, brown, and fuzzy.
Panda, fluffy black and white bear. Hee I'm so fluffy and I love my bamboo.
Tiger, a strong striped cat.
Crocodile, snap, big teeth.
Deer, fast and gentle. Deer, fast and gentle.
Hippo, big and round in the water.
Snake, wiggling around.
Elephant, look at the big trunk. Wolf, howling at the moon. Leopard, beautiful spots everywhere.
Kangaroo, hop hop in the pouch. Wow, what an amazing adventure! Don't forget to subscribe for more jungle fun. See you soon. Bye-bye.